Strawberry Fields.
Hello.
Morning!
Morning.
Had a little stop on the way back. We've come to Strawberry Fields to experience a real working farm shop.
So we have come to try more pasties.
More pasties. We're not calling them Cornish pasties anymore because there's a bit of a debate.
And
We'll
I think,
go
aren't we
into
in
that.
Devon now?
Not yet. We'll go into that a little
I
bit
think
later in
so.
the Great Pasty Debate video.